What's up, guys? Some very rare, very interesting silver bar I got today, and I want to make my my movie only about this bar, okay? Because I was looking into YouTube, to find anything this about this bar, any video, any advertising, and I cannot find. So let's see what I have inside, and enjoy with me. I just got the package, and I'm excited to see how this bar look like. So again, this is 10-ounce bar, and I do collect 10-ounce bars, like a premium bars. I have a lot of these bars, and I will make a movie one day. I will make a video one day. And yeah, here we go. Voila! That's a samurai bar, and I don't use the original packaging. Package okay. What is going on with this packaging? Yep. Package okay. Wow. I wanted this bar from the moment I see it online. I just wanted them. It has some milk spot, I think, right? Yeah, I see milk spot here and here. Interesting. If I can clean it. Yeah, but this is a bar. Yeah, I will ask Liberty. So I bought it from Liberty. It was around $200. And yeah, I saw this bar like 180, then 190, then 200, and I say if I don't buy it now, I will never buy it. So this is a Golden State Mint. I will give link, below to this. Look into my, description, what it is. And yeah, I always wanted. It has a premium, but the samurai is terrific, only this milk spots here and here and here. Yeah, I will complain about this milk spot, so for sure. It's not even this on 3-inch, you see. There is some milk spot all over. So this observe future of standing samurai in defensive position, wearing full armor, including well-known samurai mask. Used for protecting the face and to strike terror into enemies. The reverse, artistic repeating design. Like, yeah, I know, this is a Golden State Mint. And yeah, I like this samurai. It was a movie, recently I remember it was a movie, Last Samurai, in 2013, I think. And yeah, I just like all this Japanese culture, and always wanted to have one, so finally it's here. Let's see how the story end up with the Liberty. I'll send them video and ask them. But hey, it's a production. They are not responsible about this. It's a production. This is how this guy are making, this silver. Yeah, but overall, I don't know. Usually they don't have much premium, these bars, and you don't, they don't complain about this milk sport. But still, there is some premium. You overpay like $20, so they can give me some discount. Let's see, maybe $10 discount, maybe will be okay. Yeah, very scary. You see the mask. Yeah, you see knife, and all this ammunition. Very beautiful. Okay, guys, that's it. This what I wanted to share. Very short video. Enjoy. So finally you can see the samurai 10-ounce bar, and I cannot find any on YouTube, so probably this is one of the first. Yeah, and I save it usually in such cases like this. Okay, so I have these cases like this. This is how I protect my bars, because anyways they have some premium for me, and I have a full collection. So next time I'll try to do a full collection of these bars, and be tuned. Silver Game of Thrones is out. Bye bye guys.